Hello, and welcome back to All the Mods 10. Today, we'll be dealing with Immersive Engineering because it is part of the star. So we take a look at the star recipe right here. It is, where the heck is it again? Nope, not here. Blaming Shard? Nope, we did that already. Probability device? Nope, not that either. Nexium? Ah, here it is. The Tesla coil. Let's go ahead and bookmark that. It is from Immersive Engineering. So if you take a look at the recipe for this, we need aluminum plates, we need the Electrum coil block, we need the HV accumulator, we need some kind of iron mechanical components, and we need the advanced electronic components. So already, let's bookmark this, and this. And maybe this, sure, why not? So we need the Tesla coil, don't know what the heck it does, but yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So of course, Immersive Engineering, I don't know anything about the mod. I only done the bare basics in the beginning whenever I had to touch it, such as like the water wheel or the metal press. And what was the other one? Ah, yes, the coke oven, and maybe the blast furnace in order to make steel. So that's all I've done in the past. Today, we're going to fumble through it and try to get through the advanced stuff. So first things first, we need to make the manual, because I believe the manual is something that will help us immensely. So let us look up Immersive Engineering, and where the heck is that manual go? Here it is, Engineer's Manual. So how do you make this? Lever and a book. Okay, let's go ahead and get that done. A book, and a lever. And there we go, the Engineer's Manual. So let's take a look. And already, it's not your typical vanilla book. You can click all the resources, you can click ores, has pretty pictures in it, and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the basic machineries. Let's see, industrial hemp, treated wood, and crafting components, industrial dries. And those are just the resources, isn't it? Oh, there are other categories. Okay, cool. Construction, let's see, concrete. Oh, nice. So Immersive Engineering is kind of it's a industrial mod, and it has a lot of machineries that's kind of related to industrial, let's say, visual looks, that aesthetic look of the industrial factory. It's not kind of like sci-fi or anything like that. It's doesn't look like thermal expansion or anything like that. It it kinda looks like modern industrialization, but not really. Not really. If I should say, maybe it has some kind of a bit of the steampunk look to it, but not quite. Not quite. It's more of an industrial factory look. So we'll go back to the manual. Where the heck are the machinery? Let me see the heavy machinery. Here we go. All right, metal press, and look at that. This is one of the basic machines that you can make. This is the metal press. I made this before. And has a couple of components that you put together. It's multi-block structures. Most of the machines are. And yeah, you just build it up like that. And then you right-click it with the engineer's hammer. And boom, it turns into some kind of machine. Which looks vastly different than what you see on the screen right here. So yeah, let's get to it, shall we? Before we do that, we're going to need a couple of tools here. And we're going to need a hammer. Engineer's hammer right there. I've been taking advantage of the engineer's hammer because it has a couple of recipes in order to make these particular plates right here. And I believe most of these are custom to the pack. Which one is this? That's revolve barrel. Okay, cool. So most of these recipes involving the engineer's hammer is custom. So yeah, let's go ahead and make the hammer. A brand new hammer right here. And there we go. There's our engineer's hammer. And then we are going to need 2 more tools here. And we're probably going to need to use 2 out of 3, mostly, really. And let's see if we can find it here. We're going to need a tool called the wire cutters. There it is. All right, how the heck do you make these? Okay, iron and sticks. And there we go. Engineer's wire cutter. And you know what? We're going to make a recipe for that, too. Press R. Do that. And there's a recipe for that. And another tool that we're going to need, maybe, is the engineer's screwdriver right here. We're going to need to make a recipe for that as well. There we go. And then we're going to need an iron rod, of all things. So let's make that one. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to place it right inside here. There, and there. All right, cool. Back to the screwdriver, make this. And there's our screwdriver. So the hammer makes plates and turns things into multi-block structures. And the engineer's wire cutters, well, it makes wires. So you press U on the wire cutters, you can take the plates that you make with the hammer and convert them into wires of that particular component materials. And you can also make wire coils. You'll see later. And what the heck is this? Maintenance kit? Okay, cool. All right, so another thing we need to make is the engineer's workbench right here. We're going to bookmark that. And ooh, an automated version. Fancy. All right, so I believe there's more than one maybe. I'm not quite sure about that. So what is this called? Engineer's workbench. Engineer's circuit workbench. So this is the engineer's workbench. What is this? Requires power from the electricity. Oh, that's a totally different mod, isn't it? Voltanus workbench. Okay, what the heck is this one? Engineer's circuit workbench. Okay, can we make this now, or does it require? Okay, it requires that. What about the engineer's workbench? Okay, we can make that later because we're going to need a couple of components here, such as treated wood and engineer's crafting table. Okay, let's take a look at that. And what is this? Treated sticks? Okay, we'll need treated woods. And that's a basic component in order to start immersive engineering. And we're going to need the treated wood. And in order to make that, we're going to need creosote oil. Let's look up that one. And it's right here. Creosote oil. We're going to bookmark that. And let's see how you make that sucker. We'll need a coke oven. Yet again, it is a multi-block structure. So let's look up the materials to make that. There we go. We're going to need some coke bricks. We're going to bookmark that one. Over here. Do that. And then do that. Alright. And then we'll hammer it with the engineer's hammer. And it turns into a coke oven. Look at that. You right click that. It needs to input coal. And out comes the coke and creosote oil. So let's try to get this wired up. And then we're going to put the coal in here. Alright, we'll need some import bus. And let's see if we can connect to, like, say, I don't know, over here maybe. Okay, get one of these. And, I don't know, do this. It's to work, right? And then we're going to need to power it, so let's connect that to the cable downstairs. Okay, get one of these. Up. Alright, there we go. Yeah, alright, that works. Cool. Alright, let's right click this and put coal right here so there's nothing messing up. And we should be going ahead, right? I mean, there's a fire on the front of the oven right now, so it should be going. Should be going. And you see the import bus ramping up right there. And we see a little bar over here too. Okay, cool. Alright, there we go. Let's hope that works from the top. Ah, it does. Cool. And look at that. We have 500 millibuckets of creosote oil. And then we can go ahead and pipe that back into the ME network if we want to. But we're going to do that later. And we're going to see how that goes. So right now, we're going to need another pipe for taking out the coke. It is right there. Now, the thing is, do I already have coke? And is that compatible? This is modern industrialization. Can't I just use this? Press U on that. And what is this? Block of coke. And this is immersive engineering. Oh, I can. But what is this in the middle? Immersive engineering. And that is, what is this? Modern industrialization. Is this custom? Then you need the one in the middle. Oh, okay, what is this one? Okay, fine. Alright. Go in here, go there, go there. And that's the furnace, macerator, the packer. Modern industrialization. Okay, rock crushing. Blast furnace fuel. Okay, and that accepts all of that stuff. So this is the blast furnace from Immersive Engineering. So let's see, improved blast furnace. Okay, let's bookmark that one because we're going to need that. And here's the improved one. Maybe we'll take a look at that. I'm not quite sure. Then we have the crusher. So yeah, but the thing is, if you take the coke from modern industrialization, this ain't easy to make either. So you press R on that one, and you go to the compressor. You need to make coke dust and everything like that. And then, what is this? Coke oven to... Okay, that's for... It's also modern industrialization. Yeah, interesting. But the creosote and the cranes is modern industrialization. Can I use this in order to make treated wood? Where's the recipe for that? Let's see, what is this? Bucket of creosote oil, and this is creosote. Oh, okay. It's the oil version that we need, but this one is just creosote. And what is this? Bottling machine? Bottle it into creosote oil. Interesting. But then I'll have to set up this whole damn thing. Oh, okay, we don't have that machine right now. Refinery, phenolic resin. Okay, get out of here. All right, let's see what we have now. We have 3 cokes right now. So we're gonna take this pipe over here, and where the heck are we gonna put this one? Maybe we'll just pipe it directly into the blast furnace and deal with that way. But then again, what can we make out of this one? Let's see, coke, fuel, scribe's table, blunt and fuse. Okay, well, you can use that as ordinary coal, really. But what other stuff can we use? What's this? Blast furnace fuel. But the only reason to put it in the blast furnace is to create steel, and we don't need that right now. So we're gonna have to worry about that later. Let's get a drawer. Let's see, drawers, 1 by 1. Wait, where's the 1 by 1? That's simple compacting. Here we go. Here's a 1 by 1. And we're going to put that in the drawer and deal with that later. Right click that. Do that. Yeah? Does it work that way? Oh, it's locked. See, card. Nope. Card. Where is the locking card? Card? There it is. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now we can lock it again. And there we go. We'll just deal that coke later. And what is it up to? 2 buckets of creosote oil. So that's good. And you know what? We're going to pipe it back into the ME network because we're going to make a recipe for the treated wood. And it'll be very convenient if it's already in the ME system. So let's go ahead and do this. That, do that, that. Okay. And do that. Then we're going to need one of these. Right click that. Creosote oil. Then we're going to need a new fluid drive. That is a fluid, right? It's in a tank. Okay. All right. We're going to need to power that one. Okay, do that. Then we're going to need an import bus. Do that. And don't think it needs acceleration cards because, you know, it's going to take a little while. And is it already in there? Okay, it's already in there. And what the heck's that fire sound? I keep hearing fire sound. Where is that coming from? Ancient vines? No, it's coming from the furnace, isn't it? Okay, fine. I mean, the coke oven. So let's go down here and we'll configure our fluid drive. In there. Right there. Then we'll put it in somewhere around here. Yeah, we'll put it right there. All right, right click that, and the oil's gone. So, take a look in the ME system here. And there we go. We have 2.5 buckets of creosote oil at the ready. So, let's figure out which wood we should be making out of that. Can we use this good old cherry wood? Because I always go to the cherry wood. Wild cherry logs, mixed cherry logs. How many do we have? Well, 198k. Oh, great. All right. Do that. Make a whole bunch of these. And let's press U on this. Can I make treated wood out of this? What is this? Brown painted planks. And what is this? Crude blast furnace. Let's press R on this one. On that, treated wood planks, and oh, there we go. Great. All right, hopefully it does work with this stuff inside the ME system because maybe you can do some kind of substitution thing. Just do that, press R on that again, and oh, archwood. Okay, sure, why not? And fluid substitutions is on, so hopefully that will work. So let's go to here and place it into here. Okay. Then go treated woods, and now let's make 10. Okay, I think that's work. There we go, 16 of the treated wood planks. Fantastic. All right, so let's go back to the engineer's thingamajiggy. What's this, circuit workbench? No, that's not what we need. We need this one. The treated wood fence. Let's make some treated sticks. We're gonna need that as well. Put that in there. Make treated wood fence. And then what else do we need? Engineer's crafting bench, table, or whatever you call this thing. Treated wood slabs. Let's make that. And oh yeah, that. Do that. Make some slabs. Okay. And then we're out treated sticks. Okay, make that. Nope. Okay, need one of these. And no, I keep going to that one. We need this one first. Okay, we got that one. But what the heck is this thing anyway? Engineer's crafting. Oh, okay. This has to be the buffed up version, right? Alright, we have the engineer's workbench. And you know what? We're going to put it right in the middle somewhere over here. Maybe we'll put it right here. But then again, it's 2 blocks wide. Alright, well. Let's try to put it somewhere else. Not quite sure where to put it. Whatever. Alright, so this is the engineer's workbench. And then you can put, like, materials inside here. And then you put in a blueprint of your choice. And then you can make that component out of the materials that you place in here. So, let's take a look at the blueprints here. And we have engineer's blueprint. And this is for the arc furnace electrodes. Banner patterns, we don't need that. We might need that, I'm not quite sure. What is this? Okay. Let's see, what is this? Crafting components, okay. Of what though? Circuit backplane, electronic component, advanced. Okay, we might need that. There's the iron mechanical components. Is that what it's called? Yeah, that's what we need too. We're going to bookmark that. And what is this? Warning signs? Oh, fancy. Remember that when I said something about industrial visual looks and aesthetics? Yeah, look at all the warning signs you can make. What is this? Projectiles? Okay. That's like fun stuff right there. Common projectiles. And what is this? Metal press mode. Okay, we might need that too. So we'll hit that. And what's the blueprint shelf? Oh, we got a shelf when you put our blueprints in? Okay. We'll take a look at that. And how do you make this thing? Oh, more treated sticks? Oh, wonderful. So it could benefit widely by having a B for the creosote oil, but oh well. I guess you can make more of the coke ovens if you want to. And let's see, make some more of this stuff. Okay. Can we make 20? Nope. We don't have enough. And you can't make the coke oven go any faster. Okay, we'll do that. And there we go. We got blueprint shelf. And I don't know. We'll put it right over here. And we'll move it later if it's in the way. Alright, next. We'll need our first blueprint right here. And what is this? Aluminum? Okay. Aluminum. Make 100 of these. And let's craft this before the system takes it for the drill. Alright, we got the engineer's blueprint. And then let's make the other one. What is this? Iron plate? I think we have iron plates, right? Okay, there we go. If you don't have an iron plate, you just make one with the engineer's hammer and an ingot. Alright, let's put this over here and see what we can make. We can make the circuit backplane that takes some kind of Duroplast sheets and a copper sheet. Electronic component takes that stuff right there. The advanced electronic component, so that's something we need too. What is this? Duroplast sheet and 2 vacuum tubes and aluminum wire. Okay, let's look that up. There we go. Duroplast sheet. We'll bookmark that. How the heck do you make this one? You need the bottling machine. Oh, you're gonna make us make that anyway? Okay, we're gonna need a metal press mold too. And what is this? Metal press mold, plate, and a plate. Okay, cool. Alright, Duroplast sheet. And then, what else do we need? Vacuum tubes. Oh, okay. Vacuum tubes. Okay, there it is. We'll bookmark that. And you can make that in the engineer's workbench with these particular items. Nickel plates, redstone plate, copper wire, and some glass. And you get some vacuum tubes from that. And what's this? Crafting components? Is that what we have? Okay, we have that. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at the other blueprint. Put that right in there. And we have metal press mold for bullet casings, gears, packing 2x2s, rods, plates. That's what we need. What is this? Packing 3x3. unpacking, and wires. Interesting. Okay, cool. Put that back in there. Now, do we need anything in here initially? I don't think so. So we're going to switch this out because we're going to need that metal press mode right there. That's 3 steel plates and engineer's wire cutters. All right, but is there an easier way to make this? Bottling machine, and I guess not. Okay, can we just put this and this in there and get that? So, of course, we don't really need the blast furnace because we already have the steel. This is dark steel. This is golem steel ingots. Where's the regular steel? Steel alloy. This is steel blocks. Okay, can I get the ingots, please? Here we go. Here's the steel ingots. What is this one? All the ores. And what is this? MFFS, whatever the heck mod that is. Okay, let's go ahead and take this one. And we're going to take out engineer's hammer. And we're going to make a stack right there. And our poor hammer has taken a hit, but that's okay. We got what we want. There we go. Steel plate. And can we do this? Steel wires. Interesting. So you can't get the mo from doing that. So, yeah, let's put that in here. And put the snips in here. And we can get our press mold plate. And maybe we'll get the wire as well. There we go. The rods. We might need the rods, but we'll come back to that maybe. You know what? Let's get the rod too. There we go. All right, cool. Get a chest to hold all this crap. Alright, put this away. And now, what the heck do we even do now? And you know what? Let's go ahead and make some power generation, some basic power generation. And I'll let this go because we don't have a lot of creosote oil right now. We only have 1.5 buckets. And you know what? Let's go ahead and make a couple of these things. Okay, and there we go. Are we out of channels yet? I think we're good. Alright, there we go. Now we have 3 times the creosote oil production. And let's check that right now. We have 4.5 buckets of creosote oil. Okay, great. The bad part is we can't just hit it with the time wand to make it go quicker, which is unfortunate. Can I do it with the bottle? No? No? Well, it kind of wants to, but probably not a chance. Probably not a chance. Oh, well. Alright. Alright, next, we're going to go ahead and make some basic power generation. And we have more than one choice for basic beginning of Immersive Engineering. And that is the water wheel and the windmill. So let's see how you do that. Immersive and the water wheel. And here we go. Here's the water wheel. We're going to bookmark that one. And then we're going to need the windmill as well. We don't really need both, but, you know, it kind of looks nice. And we're going to make both and see what happens. So here's the windmill. We're going to bookmark that as well. And depending on how much materials we need, we might need to make one of these to begin with. Let us do that. Go here. And let's go ahead and make the water wheel, because that's more fun, right? We can hear the fire and water sound effects at the same time. Okay, make a recipe for that. And the water wheel. Okay, put that here and here. Okay, let's make one of these. Oh, I need a recipe for the sticks. Okay, sticks. Alright. Water wheel. And there we go. We have one water wheel. And we're going to put it in the back somewhere over here. And let's place this down and see how much room we need. Can we place it like that? Ooh, it's a big boy. Look at that. Alright, let's move it back by 1. Like that. I think that would do. Alright, let's make another water wheel, because it can go up to 3. And I want here. And how much creosote do we have right now? We have 5 buckets left, so let's make another water wheel. Right, there we go. That, and then we're going to do that. Now next, we're going to need to convert that movement into something what we can use. So let's look up dynamo here. And this is the kinetic dynamo. So let's make a recipe for that. Do that and press that. And already we've seen components that we need to make copper coil wire. So, and the iron mechanical components. So let's take a look at this and see how you make this. Ooh, LV wire coils. So let's see how you make that one. Copper wire and some sticks. And copper wire takes the engineer's wire cutters and the copper plates. And of course, the ME network already knows how to make the wire cutters and the plates itself. So we're going to make a recipe for that. Do that. And then we're going to make a recipe for this as well, using sticks and the copper wires. Put that there, and then what else do we need? This, the connect dynamo, and then we're going to need the iron components, so let's go back here. Now, is there any other way of making this thing? Iron plates, oh, fantastic, let's do that. We don't need the workbench after all. Okay, and we're going to put that in here. We don't really have to worry about the other one. What is this? 4 iron plates and 1 copper ingot. Let me take a look. All right, this is iron mechanical component. So that's 2 iron plates and 1 copper ingot. So we have plenty of iron, so we don't have to worry about that. So, and of course, it's raining again. You really automate that process by now. Or just build everything in Savannah. Alright, so, oh, I need to configure this. There you go. Take the coal out. Alright, there we go. Alright, great. Alright, so the water. Let's put in the water now. Yeah? Does that work? Not turning, though. Oh, wait, do I need to hit it with a hammer? I hope that's the case. Yeah? No? Maybe we need to stick a dynamo on it first. Not quite sure. Alright, maybe. You can put that, like, over here. Nope. Like that either. Alright, let me just try it for just one. Nope, no go. Maybe it needs more luring. Okay. Like that. No? Okay. Maybe it's the water underneath. Which is a shame, because I want that little pool at the bottom. And let me just close this off temporarily. Alright, in you go. Now that was an idiot? Okay. Let's make the dynamo now. And you're gonna crash. Okay, thanks for that. And we're back. Let's try on the other end, shall we? Will you work on the other end? Oh, that's interesting. I have no idea what's wrong now. Okay. That right there. Yeah? I think that's how you position this. What's my screwdriver? Right-click that, right? Can I shift right-click? What's the point of the screwdriver then? Come on. Can I? No, not that. Oh, well. Oh, now you turn. Now you turn. When you have a freaking dynamo on it. Freaking required dynamo on it. Okay. Alright, let me get the water. Massive waste of time. Give me that. Alright, you get the pool back. That down here. And flip it around. Alright, there we go. Get the water. Alright, there we go. Nice. Very nice. Alright, then show us what kind of power we're looking at. Alright, rain. You're always raining for some strange reason. Jeez. Alright, there we go. Now, in the interest of not hearing that all the time, we're just gonna turn that off, yeah? I mean, water's one thing, but to have both of them on? Jeez, come on. Alright, so, put this away. Alright, next, we need to utilize that power somehow. So that means we're going to need some kind of connector or some kind. So let's look that up. Immersive, that is spelled completely wrong. No, sieve, no. Hold on. Immersive, there we go, okay. Alright, where are those connectors? Connectors. We're going to need some LV wire coils, which we already can make. There's some MV, HV, and rope coil, don't know what that's for. Oh, decoration purposes. Nice, nice. Redstone wire, insulated. I mean, we'll make the insulated, not quite sure. How the heck do you make this? Tough fabrics. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm looking for the connectors. Yeah, I'm not quite seeing it. Alright, connector. There it is, okay. Structural cable connector, redstone, 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 LV wire connector. Okay, let's make a recipe for those. Okay, do that. And what the heck is this? Terracotta, of all things? Interesting. Alright. I'm gonna put that right there. Alright, make 10, I don't know. Alright, now we'll put a connector right there. And next, we're going to need some kind of battery to hold it, and that's called accumulator. And right there, LV accumulator. We'll make a recipe for that. Oh, come on. No, not this one. No, not this one either. Right, what is this? Bucket of redstone acid. Where the heck do I get that? Alright, let's bookmark that. Alright, what's this? Oh. Okay. I don't need to, like, go through an entire convoluted process in order to get this. I just... Okay, fine. Alright, put that there. And put that there. Alright, LV accumulator. What the heck is this? Redstone acid. What? Just use the bucket. What the heck are you talking about? Substitution is on. Bucket of redstone acid. It's a bucket, not the actual liquid. What the heck? Just... No, not 1,000. Redstone acid. Just make the bucket. Yeesh, come on. Make this. What the heck am I doing? Hold on. Accumulator. Alright, where is it again? Here it is. Weird. Okay, fine. Alright, there we go. And you know what? Let me go back to that recipe. Accumulator. Where is it? Here it is. Alright, go here. And then, what is this? Treated wood planks, iron, lead plates. Okay, let's turn you off. And we'll update that. Alright, put that here. And can I make another one now? Okay, there it is. Alright, cool. Alright, here's our LV accumulator. And how the heck are we going to present this? Made some more oak logs, I guess. But then again, we can go ahead and put that onto here somehow. Or maybe we'll put it on here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put that on here. And do we have any kind of like decorations that we can use? Immersive, and already I'm spelling that again. Spelling that wrong again. Immersive. No, immersive. Jeez, come on. Oh? No? What would you call those things? Staff? No. Okay, fine, I'll look. What is this? Shock emitters. Alright. Backpack. Oh, you got some fancy wares on here. Okay. Water wheels, wooden wall mounts, razor wire, transformers. Oh, what's this? Catwalks. You can make catwalks? Here we go, post. What is this? Steel post, aluminum post, and we have steel, we have aluminum, so that's good. Do you have a wooden post? Maybe that'll look nice. Okay, here we go. Here's the post. What about this? What is this? Treated wood fence and stone bricks. Okay, cool. Okay, put that over here. And then, I'm not sure which... Maybe we'll make 3? Oh, you don't have a recipe for that. Okay, well, thanks. Treat it with sticks. Okay, put that there. Alright, wooden posts. Now, let's see. We'll put one here. And, I think you can bring this out? Okay, great. We'll bring this out. But can you bring an extra one out? Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Alright, the accumulator. Maybe we'll put that right on top. Aha. And we'll put a connector here. And then that's an input. So we'll put another connector here. Which we kind of don't have to put like this one over here. We can just drag it directly, I guess. But it just looks nice that way. Or maybe we can do this. Get rid of that. And then get some wires here. Okay. Have this going up to there. Connection is obstructed. Are you kidding me? Okay, fine. Do that. Okay, and then do that. Yeah? Alright, there we go. Nice. And then we'll do this going up here, right? Cannot attach. Are you kidding me? Come on. It's right there. You cannot attach this wire here. Because it's attached that one. That's ridiculous. Why the heck not? Linking from there. Okay, link. You cannot attach a wire here. Is there another connection I don't know about? Stone connector. Okay, let's see what we have. LV wire, MV wire, and HV wire. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Nothing else. So it's going to here, but then again, I can't connect this to this. Let me just get rid of this. This thing is like freaking obstructed. Look at this. Alright, let me get rid of this. Okay, can I put it over here then? One of the connection points invalid. Come on, you cannot attach the wire to the same point. I know. Click it again. There we go. Okay, that works. Yeesh. Let's get rid of this. And then, can I connect this? I know that. Right click again. Right, you cannot attach the wire here because this one's taking it up. Is that it? That's an input. Okay, fine. Where's the output then? Alright, let me do this. Get rid of that. And like that. Will that serve as an output? Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Because the blue one means input. But I don't see an orange one. Where's the orange one? Is it down here? It's not down there. Oh well, we're gonna see. Alright, next, what we're gonna do now is we're going to make a simple machine. And that is the... what do you call it? The metal press. So all the way back here. And let's see what we have here. Electrical grids, okay, heavy machinery. Here we go. Here's the metal press. So here's how you make it. And then if you mouse over this little question mark here, it'll tell you the required materials. So redstone engineering blocks. So go ahead and get that. Stone engineering. Mark that one. Make a recipe for this. Put these away. And not needing these anytime soon. Alright, what the heck is this? Iron sheet metal. This is plates. Okay, we'll make this one. And what else do we have? Redstone engineering block. Okay, what else? Pistons. Heavy engineering block. Okay, it requires electrum ingots, steel mechanical components, and steel sheet metals of all things. Alright, let's do that. And what else do we need? Steel mechanical components, which is steel plates and copper. Okay, do that. And, let's see, did we make that? Okay. And steel sheet metals. Okay, let's make that. All right, what else do we need? Steel scaffolding and conveyor belts. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Let's see, what did we make before? We got the heavy engineering block. Okay, let's put these in here for now. Do that, that there, and there. All right. We're gonna need steel scaffolding and conveyor belts. Okay, scaffolding. There's several of these. Steel scaffolding. Okay, I think it's steel scaffolding, right? What is this? Steel scaffolding. Okay. Steel scaffolding. Here we go. And then what else? Conveyor belts. Okay, conveyor belt right there. That there, put that there. Okay, great. All right, let's see. Let's make a couple of extra stuff, shall we? Let's make 20 of these things. Okay. And then scaffolding, 20. Okay, and then what else do we need? Heavy machineries or something like that? Okay, 20. Okay. And then something about components. Steel components. Okay, there we go. And then what else? Redstone engineering blocks and pistons. Okay, 20. And then what else? Piston. Okay, got pistons right here. All right, we have it all, right? Okay, cool. All right, the metal press is an automated way of shaping metal, and that noise is grating on me right now. Flamethrower mechanism. Flamethrower mechanism. Fire. Okay, muffle. Is that it? Okay, there we go. Jeez, freaking fire. All right, how's this going? How much creosote do we have? 31 buckets and counting. Okay, great, great. All right, so let's look in here. The metal press is an automated way of shaping metal. It uses a high-pressure piston to press plates, rods, or other metal components using modes. The machine is created as shown above by using an engineer's hammer on the piston. Power is input through the plug on the top of the piston, and items through the conveyors in the direction of movement. The lower middle block is the redstone control port. Right-clicking it with this engineer's screwdriver allows you to invert the redstone control. Okay. Metal press. To actually work, the metal press requires a mode to be attached to the piston. These modes are created in the engineer's workbench using the blueprint displayed above. Modes of craft as shown. Okay, we know about that. Okay. Okay, modes. What is this? The packing and unpacking modes can be used to compress 4 or 9 of the same item into the relevant storage form, as well as unpack them again. Okay, cool. Can you get to the part where I can like right-click the world and you can show me the whatchamacallit? Can I do that? What is this? This is play. This is stop. This requires the layers. I don't know. There used to be a way to like display something in the world. Can I shift right-click or something? Yeah, not quite sure about that. So, can I just do this? Hold on. Maybe do that. Yeah. No. How about like this? No. Okay. Right-click that. Metal press. There used to be a way. I don't know. I remember it displays some kind of like hologram thingamajiggy. Oh wait, I think it's a block of something. Hold on. Immersive. All right, let me take a look again. All right, what is this? Electronic components. Engineer's multimeter. Engineer's toolbox. Oh, a toolbox. Red dye. Wooden storage crate. Okay, can I make that? What is this? Wooden storage crate. Okay. That might be something nice to have. Turn that back on. Okay. Wooden crate, which retains its items when broken. Should, anyway. Okay, put that here. And put that here. Ah, nice. Alright, see what we've got here? Oh. Oh, fancy. Okay, can I put it down? And you crash. Okay, thanks. And we're back. Let's just go ahead and put this away for now. Alright. Going back to the tab here. Why am I spelling it that way? What the heck? Alright, let's see what we have again. Great. Well, what is this? Logic units. I don't know what the heck that is. Machine interface. Razor wires. Accumulators. Turntables. And there used to be a way to do some kind of... Ooh, the fluid pump. I remember that. What is this? Blast furnace. Preheaters. Powered lanterns. Charging stations. Core sample drills. Yes, we have mining in here. Ooh, floodlights. Turrets. Garden coach. Aha. Electromagnets. Pipe valve. Heavy engineering blocks, generator block, radiator blocks. Okay, whatever the heck these things are. What is this? Structural transformers. Okay. No, don't think anything looks familiar here. What is this? Wire relay. Oh yeah, the wire relay. That's what I need, huh? Oh yeah, the relays. Okay, let me just make that one as well. Wire connectors and relays. Let's make that. And put that over here. I'll make a couple of these. Great. Let's put these away. Alright, put that away, and don't need that anymore. Don't need these anymore. Alright, let's start putting stuff down and see what happens. Let's see. Heavy engineering block, I guess? Let's see, heavy machinery, metal press, right there. What is this? Scaffold. That looks like the engineering blocks. Piston going down like that. There's conveyor belt, another one. And then there's like the heavy block up there, I think. Alright, scaffolding. But that is the steel scaffolding, right? Steel scaffolding, okay. Alright, steel scaffolding. And the cable starts here, so maybe we'll put it here or something. But then it'll just go all the way down there. Maybe we'll make it horizontal, see what happens. Put it like that. And then we'll need one of these. Now, can I like right-click it with the book or something? Like, can I have the hologram, please? No? No? Alright, well. Conveyor belts. And maybe we'll go this way? Yeah. It actually shows direction, which is pretty nice. Alright, pistons. Okay. And then I believe it goes down. Like that. Okay. And then we need to put this block up here. Alright. Then we need to hit the piston. And there we go. We got a metal press. Then we need to connect a wire from here to there. So let's do that. And nope, we need a connector, don't we? LV connector. Right, do that and do that. Okay, great. Now does this shock us if we go through it? I think it's enough power. All right, whatever. And does this tell us how much power is like producing? No? Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is let's get a chest here. Okay. And then we're using our scaffolding like right here. The chest right there. But then do I need like an kind of like opening or something? Let me take a look here. I think you need some kind of opening. Why are you spelling it that way? Alright, let's see. Some kind of export or something. Well, where's that conveyor thing? Maybe it's next to that thing. Engineer circuit, okay. Here we go. Okay, conveyor belts. That's one with the cover over it, I think. What is this? Redstone control. That's a dropper. That's a dropper with a cover. That's the ladder conveyor belts. A splitting one. Okay. Extracting one. Here we go. All right, let's make a recipe for that. What the heck is this? A strip curtain. We gotta make the tough fabric now. Okay. All right, R. Do that. Okay, put that here, here, and here. All right, let's see what we've got here. Where is the exporter thing? Here it is. Okay, there we go. And then, should be heading in that direction. All right, get another one here. And wouldn't it be nice if I can just rotate this around? Can I rotate this around? Let's do that. And, oh, well, kind of worked. All right, never mind. We'll do this. All right, and put a chest here. And then it's gonna... Now, what kind of plates do we need? I don't think we need any plates, do we? But for example's sake, let's take a couple of iron pieces here. And we're gonna put that inside here. But I don't think it's gonna export, right? It's just gonna stop right there? Okay. What happened to the molds that I made earlier? Right, here it is. Put that right there. And then it's going to wait for the number of iron ingots before it goes in there. Right? No? Not going to do it? No? Okay, I guess not. Well, can I get that back? Damn, I just wish I can, like... Are there any goggles? There had better be goggles in this mod. Okay, goggles. No, there are no goggles. View? No. Lens? No. I don't know how to see if there's power going in here. All right. Yeah. Yeah, it's strange. This doesn't work. Is this not an output? Accumulator. I didn't look in the manual. Alright, machine components, heavy components, electrical grids, okay, basic wiring, accumulators, here we go. Accumulators serve as energy storage units. Input and output power is limited to one connector of the voltage of the accumulator per side. Side configuration can be adjusted. Blue, orange. Can I get rid of you? Shift. Weird. Alright, what is this? Facing side, no connection. Opposite side, no connection. Shift. Opposite side, energy input, energy output. But you don't show it. Oh. Okay. Energy input, output. Opposite side. Oh. Okay. Can I just... Oh, you don't hold shift. Okay, that's still an input, right? Let me just get rid of this. Alright, connector. There's one plate. Go away. Alright, LV coils. And a connector. Alright, this has to work now. Nice. Now we need to put that in a chest or something. Is there like an importer or something, or just go straight in? Oh, go straight in. Okay, well, would have been nice if you had this, but all right, cool. And then you can use the screwdriver on this little thingamajiggy in order to configure the ticks. This block will activate every 20 ticks, 4 ticks, 8 ticks, 16 ticks. Nice. Alright, we got our metal press. See what we need to make next. Could have just moved this over by one, but whatever. Alright, so next, we're going to need to make a, what do you call it? A bottling machine. So, let me see that. Let's see. Bottling machine, heavy machinery. Bottling machine, here we go. Alright, what does it need? Iron sheet metal, A light engineering block, okay. And sheet metals. No, not that one. Here we go. Iron sheet metal. Okay, what about that? Okay, what else do we need? Can I just mouse over this? No. Okay. Light engineering blocks. Okay, what about that? Then we need a fluid pump. Wow, a pump? A whole new pump? We need an entire pump for this thing? Okay, what about that? Alright, see how you make this thing? Okay, what are these? Fluid pipes? Okay, light engineering block. And then, I think that's it. Oh, what's this? Okay, make that. Okay, cool. Alright, let's make, I don't know, 10 pumps, whatever. Alright. Let's see what else we need. Iron sheet metals. Let's make 10 of those. Okay, and then light engineering block. Alright, there we go. Did I get them all? Okay. Alright, see how you make this sucker. Okay, like that. Alright, slow down. Jeez. Steel sheet metal scaffold thing, whatever you call this thing. Alright. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Can I just right-click this thing? Which one do I right-click? Alright, what am I missing? Structures created as shown above, but can be mirrored. To form it, right-click the central freaking. There we go. Jeez, come on. Alright, so why the heck did we make this in the first place? Alright, bottling machine, press U on that. What can we do with this? We can bottle various fluids here. Empty shells, okay. What was that one? Okay, whatever that is. What is this? Orange concrete. Can you just not show me the potions, please? There's like over 100 pages of here. What is that? Black concrete. Okay, what is this? Duroplast, that's why we need it. Okay. Duroplast sheet, where is that? Okay, here it is. We need phenolic resin. Okay, how do you get this? Aw, man. Alright. We'll mark that. Acetaldehyde. Alright, how do you make this? Refinery. Okay, now we need 2. We'll mark that. Ethanol. Okay, and silver plates. Okay, how do you get this? Industrial fermenter. Okay, let's talk about that. And what materials do you need in order to get ethanol? I mean, we already have ethanol. Can't we just use that one? Plus, they don't mix together. Alright, I guess we can use either sugar or whatever. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, we can use the massive amounts of honey bottles we accumulated so far in order to make ethanol. Alright, let's start making the industrial fermenter. Alright, then you right-click the cauldron, and there we go, the industrial fermenter. Alright, so we've got here, I think this is the power? And where is the, I don't know what this is. This is the output? The output for something. Is there anything on the back? Oh boy, you put that on the back? Jeez, alright. Well, there's an input over there. Alright, let's get this done. Alright, let's make another wooden post over here. And the power goes over there, so let's put that here. Okay. And another wooden post. And then I don't think I can. Maybe I can turn this into a relay. Can I turn this into a relay? But this is an output, right? Alright, let me just use this. Okay. And then I can maybe have another accumulator right there. And then I could have another connector there. And let's see, do that. Okay. And wire it up, not this one, this one. So put it over here like that. And this should have power. Should. Have another connector on the output. And wire it up to here. Yeah? And this is totally not a workplace hazard. Alright. Don't know if this is working. Is it? Okay. Has power. Alright, well, what do we have here? This is an input. This is some kind of tank. This is input and output for the tank. And, alright. I guess we'll try this particular input right here. And we're going to have to drag another cable out. Alright. The storage bus. Right there. And then we're going to need to check what we can put in it. How about some sugar cane? We have 1.2 million sugar cane. Can we use the wheat? 5.5 million wheat. Can we use that instead? Let me right click this. Show recipes. Alright, got potatoes, melons, sweet berries, sugarcane, apples, glowberries, honey. Oh yeah, the honey bottles. Okay. All right, how much honey do we have? We are actively converting the honey bottles into this though, but we're just not going to use those. Wheat's not on the recipe, so that's unfortunate. How about potatoes? 7.6 million. Okay, sure, we'll use the potatoes. Let me put this somewhere else. Let me put this in here. All right, potatoes. Put that in there. Get rid of that. All right, is it in there? Let me go back to here. Okay, put that here. All right, it's running. Nice. It is taking a lot of power, though. All right, ethanol. All right, cool. Now, is there an ethanol B? Immersive Engineering, ethanol. Can't they just use the ethanol for modern industrialization? I have a crap ton of that stuff. Like, hold on. Ethanol. Methane. No, not that. Ethan. I can't spell right now. What the heck? It must be empty. Alright, well. What is this? What's the byproduct for this? Butadiene, water, ether, ethylene, sulfuric. Yeah, it must be empty. Okay, whatever. Alright, well, don't have any of that anymore. And we're out of power. We're out of power, so unfortunately, we're just gonna have to go ahead and do this because we don't have any of the uber power from Immersive right now. So we're just gonna have to use these instead. There you go. Nice. Reliable power. Alright, now that we have ethanol being created, we're going to take that ethanol and output into a tank. See, what can we use? I guess we can use that, right? Nah, we're just gonna be a little bit more consistent. Alright, get this. And then where's the output for this? Okay, there's the output. Or how about like this? Yeah? Okay, that's an output. I don't know what that one is. What is this one over here? Does it create a byproduct or something? Recipes. Oh, that's for this. Okay. Alright, we got ethanol running. I'm gonna get tank here. Okay, there we go. And then, what the heck are we going to do with this now? Let's press U on that. Then we need to put that into a refinery. Right? And then that's ethanol with silver plates. And then we can make the, whatever this is called. What the heck is this? Biodiesel? Okay. So we'll just pipe it directly into the refinery. No reason to put it back into the ME network. So, alright. Let's see how you build the refinery. And I think it's this one. Alright, what do we have here? That's an input. Okay. That one, I think that's power? Yeah, what do we have on the back? That is also an input. Oh boy, okay. What the heck can I do about that? I think that's an output. That's power. Okay. Alright, first things first, we'll run power. Where did I put the power? Okay, there it is. Alright, and the power is in the back. I can't go across this. Really? I can't do it. Sheesh. Alright. Okay, we have power. Now, the first input is the ethanol, but I think that's it, right? Besides that, we're going to need the silver plates, which I'm going to have to go all the way over there with a cable. Okay. Now, this is the right one, right? Let me just put this in here. Yeah, that is the right plate. It's making acetaldehyde. Oh, wait. Do I just... It's not consumable. You just need to put the silver plate in there, and that's it. Huh. Alright, fine. Fine. I didn't need to run this long pipe over. Then again, I guess it fills the space, but whatever. Alright, so let's take this as an output. Let's press U on this. And what else do I need to do with this? I need to pipe in another refinery to make the resin. And then from the resin, we can finally put that in the bottling machine in order to make the Duroplast plastic sheets. Alright, there we go. Now it's even noisier. Alright, we got the resin. Now what? Okay, press U on that. And press U on the resin. And now finally, we can go into the bottling machine and make what? Duroplast sheet with the metal press mode. Okay, we're going to have to make a bottler. Did we make that already? Okay, that's this thing over here. So we can move this over here. Okay, let's see. Import. Okay. Storage bus here. And then we're going to need to do this thing right there. Clear that. Okay. Alright, power this up. Alright, cool. That's on. Alright, let's do it again. Okay, that one's on. Alright, go on. Don't pick it up. What are you doing? Jeez, turn it off. Oh, it doesn't go in? Oh, it needs to be higher. That there. Then, there. That. Okay, there we go. Ah, nice. And the Duroplast Sheets is right inside here. Okay, great. Alright, now we need to bring that back in. So where was that cable? Over here. Okay. I need to run it from here to all the way over here. Okay. And import bus. No, right click the import, quick. Okay, there we go. What? Don't put it in there. This one's gonna take it. No, do this. Okay, we're good. Alright, Duroplast Sheets goes in there. Get rid of that. This should take it. Should. Unless we're out of channels. Are we out of channels? Let me see. Alright, storage bus. Oh, okay. Do that. What the heck are you doing over here? Alright, we're good. These over here. Should even get one of these. Alright, so from the Duroplast Sheets, what else can we do with this? Are we done with that? Hold on. Engineer's Workbench and a glass blower. Ah, yes. The advanced electronic component. Use the vacuum tube, Duroplast Sheets, and aluminum wire. Alright, so how do you make the vacuum tube from this? Okay, we're going to need the Engineer's Workbench for this. And what else? Components? Engineer's Workbench, okay. Is that the same one as this? Okay, that's the Engineer's Workbench. And electronic component, Duroplast Sheets, okay, we have one of those. We need 2 vacuum tubes. Okay, what is this? Okay, that's a viewer, that's the glass. We need nickel plate, copper wire, and redstone dust. So how many do we need? 2 vacuum tubes, okay. Right, glass. Put these away. And let's see, silver plates, don't need that anymore. And you know what? Just this. Alright. Glass, make 1,000. Okay, what else do we need? Redstone dust. Okay. And then some kind of copper wire. And not the modern industrialization version. Okay, here we go. Make 100. Okay, copper wires. And then what kind of plates do we need? We'll need nickel plates. Okay, right there. Make 40. Okay, there we go. Right click that. Put that in there. Then there, put that in there, and put that in there. Okay, here we go. Vacuum tubes. Make the whole lot. There we go. Alright, got 36 vacuum tubes. What else do we need? The advanced electronic components. We need the Duroplast Sheets. So let's put that in there. Need the vacuum tubes, put that in there. And we need aluminum wires. Okay, aluminum wires. We don't have a recipe for that. Right, iron plates. And aluminum plates. Okay, let's press U on that. Let's see. Here we go. The wire. All right, make that. And put that right there. All right, let's see. Aluminum wire. Make 40. Okay, that in there. And there we go. Electronic component. Advanced electronic component. Now, what else do we need to make? We need the HV accumulator. Okay, let's make a recipe for that. Accumulator. There we go. Here's the MV one. Go ahead and make a recipe for that, I guess. Go over here. Do that. turn off the fluid substitution. You have an issue for that. Here is the HV version. Let's make a recipe for that. And what is this? Hop graphite ingot. Oh, luckily, we have a seed for that. Thanks to our little bag of seeds that we had back on 1.7. 1.7? I don't remember. All right, let's make a recipe for this. Okay. And put that there, and put that there. All right, what is this one? MV and HV. Okay. All right, MV and HV. Let's make one of these. Missing creosote oil. Are you kidding me? How much creosote oil we missed? Oh man. All right. Can you stop making this now? Can you? Where's? Let me get my lever. All right, where is it? This one's taking all the oil, right? All right, guys, cut it out. Cut it out. Stop. Stop making stuff. Hello? Can you stop? Creosote oil. Where's that going to? That's resin. Are you doing that? Oh, you're not doing that. Creosote oil is going into... It's going from somewhere. Where the heck is it going into? Oh, it's going in through here. Alright. Stop. Stop that. I don't know how the lever works. Let me see. I think it should stop by now. Alright. Put creosote. I think we should be good on that. I just hate that you can't time on it. I need more creosote and I need it now. Alright, how else do you make this coke oven? Okay. I have to wait on that. Alright, how many buckets do we need for that? Accumulator. HV. It needs 1 bucket. Just 1. Can you stop taking all my oil? Not in there, is it? Let me see. Okay, it's not in there. Let's see. Oh, just do this, I suppose. Alright. Let's see. HV. Alright, there we go. HV. Now we're out of oil. Alright, what else do we need? What the heck are we making again? Heavy engineering block bottling. Okay. I guess this thing? Oh, we made that already. Why the heck did we make that in the first place? HV. Okay, refine, late refinery. Right, the Tesla coil, that's it. Where was that? Where did it go? Here it is. Alright, what else do we need? Iron mechanical component. The electron coil blocks, okay. Okay, right there. What is this? MV wire coil. Do I have a recipe for that? No. Okay. Alright, let's see. Go here. Go here. And do that. And then what is this? Electron wire. Okay. Do that. And then we can do it, right? Okay, put that there, and put that there. All right, we got that. Now, what else do we need? Iron mechanical component and aluminum plates. All right, so let's make a recipe for the Tesla coil because I think that's all we need right now. All right, Tesla coil. Do that. And what's this? Electronic component. We only need to do it once, so we need to do it through here of all things. Advanced control. Is that the only way to make this thing? All right, fine. Oh, this is an automated version. Oh, okay, we'll worry about that later. All right, put that there. And then we'll put that inside here. Put the rest of the components inside here. Let's see, put these in here. Don't need these anymore. That away. These away. Put that away. These away. And that, and that, and that. What is this? HV? Okay, we're gonna need that. Okay, cherry planks. So I can put that away. Okay, great. All right. Tesla coil. Make that. And there we go. There's our damn Tesla coil. Goodbye, Immersive. We'll miss you. Okay, we'll go down here. And then it should be right there. There we go. Nice. Next to the emitter, it's right there. And to confirm that is the right one, we'll press U on this. And there it is. Okay, cool. There we go. One step closer to the star. Alright, so that has been Immersive Engineering. It's a nice mod if you want to get into machinery, industrial factory type stuff, and for that visual look. Now, of course, you don't need to use the A2 cables. You don't need to use the mechanism cables. You don't need to use the mech cables at all if you don't want to do that. You can go ahead and use all these wires, which is a little bit more convenient, just a little bit more convenient because, you know, it just goes through air. You don't need to do this. No snaking all the cables around. And where the heck does this one go? Let me get rid of this. There we go. There we go. So yeah. Anyway, you can go all in with the wires and the cables and whatnot over here, and yeah, it's totally capable. I just don't have the high voltage stuff right now. I only have water wheels right now. So there are a lot of machineries that you can play around with the immersive engineering. So let's take a look at that. Let's see, heavy machinery. You have the metal press. You have a little crusher thing going on here. You can crush all your ores, and of course you can get ores from this thing because there is some kind of like an excavator machine. Look at this massive boy right here. You dig up ores, but of course you can't just plunk them down and dig anywhere because you need some kind of a sampler or something. You need to get your samples from a chunk and find out where you need to mine. So let's say if you need to mine coal or maybe iron, you need to get like a core drill or something and get a core sample and see what that is underground and made out of. I think for that particular chunk, it gets assigned like a certain ore, maybe coal or iron. So if you want to mine that, to set up the excavator right there, and it'll mine like coal or iron or some whatnot. So, but there is a limitation because it's not just a void miner or anything. So it just stops, it just runs out, and then you have to move on to another chunk. So that's good. So let's see, sawmills. You can make various wood products out of it. It's pretty neat. You make strip logs, and you can also make planks out of it. So let's see, what else? You have a mixer. Don't know what that does, but it mixes things, I guess. The bottling machine we did, fermenter we did, squeezer. Not quite sure what the squeezer does. I guess it squeezes the seeds into plant oil, so we make biofuel and whatnot. Refinery, we already did that. Assembler, of course, the assembler is some kind of like auto crafting type thing that you can use in order to craft your stuff. So yeah, well, of course, there's a crafter in here. What's a factory without automated craftery? Automated crafting thingamajiggy. Let's see, automated workbench, of course we do. We have the arc furnace. That's also really big. Quickly alloy metals and smelt ores. Okay, cool. Excavator we looked. And what else do we have? We have resources. Look at all the stuff that you can make your machines out of. We have transport. Not only that, we have crates, chutes, strip curtains, routers, fluid pipes, pumps, and stuff. Of course it does. Of course it has those pipes and whatnot. And for moving items, lots of conveyor belts that you can play around with. So yeah, just for that visual look, that factory look, is absolutely fantastic. And let's go back to here. Of course, you can have electrical grids. You make things look like, I don't know, like a street with all these poles with wires hanging out everywhere. And you can make it look a little bit nicer. Let's see, what else do we have? Generators, thermoelectric generators. Yeah, this is like the proper thing to get, like maybe early to mid-game or something like that. And use these thermoelectric generators using some kind of coal block and some kind of lava block. And then you can generate power that way. It's kind of like the thermal that we're using right here. Right there. And then you can generate some power for that. Let's see, diesel generator you can make, lightning rods, kinetic generators. Okay, cool. Redstone control, explosive, and weaponry. It has weapons in here. It doesn't need weapons in here, but it does anyway. So, cool. Fun little toys that you can play around with. Multi-block construction, silos, just to hold all your items. I'm not sure which one holds that. The tank holds fluids, the silo holds items. So, it can hold a lot of stuff. This one can hold a lot of fluids. And you can make an improved blast furnace if you want to. There's an alloy kiln you can make. And yeah, I guess that's about it. There's probably like a whole bunch of stuff that I'm missing. That's kind of neat. But yeah, you can go explore immersive engineering on your own if you want to. The manual's not bad. It's not the most excellent manual in the whole universe, because I remember there's some kind of like hologram thing that you put in the world to follow. to follow your building heavy machinery. I remember that. Maybe it's an add-on mod that I forgot about, but it would be nice if we have that again. So let me know if it's in here or how to activate that if it's in here, and that'll be great. So yeah, all right. So this has been another episode of All the Mods 10. I've been FumbleBlock, and I'll see you next time.